What's going on? Welcome to John Builds. I'm John, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a basic Lego MILS plate. And stick around to the end because I'm going to share some tips on how you can save money while doing it. Let's get started. Real quick, what is MILS? MILS, or Modular Integrated Landscaping System, is a system designed to give your Lego city or structure a solid modular foundation. Being customizable and modular means you can easily swap, rearrange, or expand parts of your city or structure without having to rebuild everything. With MILS, everything fits together seamlessly, making your Lego city or build easier to manage and expand. You can customize this layer to fit your vision, whether you're building a road for your city, balancing a railroad track, creating an intersection, a road with a railroad track, or you want to put a building on it. The reason MILS is so important is because it brings structure and stability to your builds. Your city will have a professional, clean look with no awkward gaps. And because MILS plates are standardized, you can easily collaborate with other builders who use MILS to create massive, community-driven projects. Plus, MILS plates are built on a sturdy foundation. This means your roads, buildings, and landscapes are less likely to shift or collapse when you're working on them. And if you ever need to move your city, MILS makes it easy to disassemble, transport, and reassemble without losing your layout. Now let's get into how to build a basic Lego MILS plate. First thing is a base plate. This is the foundation of your MILS plate. Then you'll need some bricks. I recommend 2x2s or 2x4s, some plates, some Technic bricks with holes in them, and some Technic pins. It's not needed, but it's used to further secure the plates together. Some builders go as far as creating their own signature corners with different color plates to easily distinguish their plate versus someone else's MILS plate. In this tutorial of a basic Lego MILS plate, you'll start by creating your corners. Then you'll fill in the rest of the area with bricks to match where the plates will go on top of them. This creates the support structure and gives your MILS plate its stability. The support structure is key because it allows you to build higher and more complex landscapes. Depending on how big your plates are, you can opt to place bricks under the middle of each plate as well to add support. You're going to do this along the entire base plate. And there you have it, a basic Lego MILS plate. Now, as promised, let me share with you some tips on how I save money while building these MILS plates. The first tip is to use smaller bricks. Personally, I use 2x2 bricks as opposed to 2x4s or anything bigger. This is because the smaller the brick, the less the cost. Another tip is I use the 1x2 Technic bricks instead of the 1x4 Technic bricks. I do this because most of my plates are locked at the top level, mainly with tile or other plates. It also allows me to take the plates apart more easily without feeling like I'm gonna snap a Lego piece. It all really comes down to personal preference. And for my most helpful tip is to get your bricks on the pad wall or used from Bricklink, because this will save you tons of money in the long run, especially if you're looking to build a large city with elevation. These are just small adjustments you can make to save you a lot of money in the long run, making it easier to expand your Lego city without sacrificing quality. And that's it. Now you know what MILS is, why it's important, and how to build a basic MILS plate. If you have any tips of your own, or if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, stay creative and keep building.